Life is older, older than the trees, longer than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home. Safe I belong, West Virginia, mountain storm. Take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round the earth. Minus lady, stranger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Desperate taste of moonshine, teardrops by my eye. Country roads, on to the place I belong, West Virginia. Woke up, coming home. Country road. No, that's not woke cloud. It's just SCL, SLC. Scared looking cloud. Goes me. Maternity home reminds me of my home far away. Now I'm driving down the road, I'm feeling down. I should have been home yesterday. Yes, I'll wait. That's the circulation. Is that a circulation? No, it isn't. To the flame. I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home, country road, take me home, take me home.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Modena County in north central Keysota.
Oh, to take me home, country road, country road, to take me home. Country road.
This severe thunderstorm will impact the following locations: Wellsville Valley, Angora. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building.
That's a bit sussy.
Avoid windows.
Damn. It's I think it's not Matt. I think it's not going off map. It looks like it's going east. Okay, guys. Let's play some more music when we get to the safe places. So we are actually underneath the storm right now, but we just need to figure out. Look, there's our Dow right now. It's just figuring out what are the things. Yeah, that's a circulation. What disappeared? It doesn't show up on maps sometimes, doesn't it? It doesn't show up. Just check it now for a second. I don't know why, but I'm just very cautious. Okay, we're in hell. Damn, I'm now. Well, TD. Alright, there's a TD. massive. So the opposite of a drill bit. The opposite of a drill bit. The opposite of a drill bit. I don't want to intercept this thing because it looks massive. Well, we caught that at least. It could recycle actually. Could recycle. Could recycle.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukegan County in north central Minnesota.
I'm escaping.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing 90 miles per hour with gusts of
God.
golf-ball-sized hail was located near Puffway.
I'm getting wings higher than everything before. How close is it to me?
Locations: Puffway, Angora. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
What the hell is it?
Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning.
This ain't a tornado. This is a Reno situation, bro. This is 2013 Reno situation. Look at this. It ain't even on the ground. It ain't even on the ground. Sorry, guys. Anyways, that was a very nice video. I'll see you guys later.